What's up, guys? Real quick, just wanted to show you some awesome pieces that we just got in at the Time Teller shop. For those of you who don't know, we're going to be doing a restock every 11th of the month for this year 2024. Now for this restock, use the coupon code COLLECTOR at checkout and save yourself some money. But please enjoy these pieces and let me know which one's your favorite. It is 2:58 p.m. Let's get down to business. Alright guys, there you have it. If you have any questions about any of the watches you've seen here today, you can email us at info@thetimetellershop.com and I'll leave a link to the shop in the description below. Again, use that coupon code COLLECTOR at checkout. Save yourself some money. I'll catch you on the next one.